Okay, backtesting session again. Subscription runs out in like a week, so no, yeah, like a week. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done, knocked out. Let's see here. So what day are we gonna backtest this? Okay, July 31st week. Okay, so July 31st, August 4th, PA. No news Monday. NFP on Wednesday. Okay, so going into today, let's see here. Why is it both? Okay, it should be yes. Okay. Okay, so going into today, we did sweep out this buy side. Do have SMT with this high. Have this forward gap below that we can rally lower, tap into. We also have this internal low as well. SMT internal low. We're not rejecting anything on the higher time frame. So if I was to look for longs, it's just to this high. Sell side. Okay, we did inverse this gap, which is making me lean more bullish. And we are holding this 4-hour. So going into today, even though we do have SMT here, I can expect a reversal, but I'm going to hold bullish until I start seeing displacement lower, telling us that we're going to tap into the 4-hour. So currently holding this 1-hour gap. Let's see, do anything lower these equal lows. Okay, we do have equal lows right here. And we do have a 15-minute gap below. Okay, so right now I am bullish. I'm holding bullish bias till this high. Even though ES did take me to bearish SMT is lining it, we are still displacing past or inversing bullish and disrespecting bearish. So I'm gonna see what market. We did tap into this 15-minute, however, so this can be an area to short. I do have low resistance build up. Okay, but equal lows too. So this isn't a bad area to short, but ideally I want to see some sort of stop hunt inside this gap or a sweep of this side before looking to short. So right now I'm bullish higher time frame, but if you can get shorts, I expect rebounds here, then look for long. I need some sort of stop hunt. Nothing yet. Okay. Now we did sweep the high. ES left relative equal highs. So I'm gonna wait for ES to resweep those highs. Okay. Resweep those highs. Inverse no, still respecting the 15-minute, but we're clearly displacing to those highs. SMT isn't holding. Let's see if I make a condition get made. Now we're holding the 15-minute, okay. And still holding the 5-minute, okay. Perfect. Nothing yet. Gonna wait. Okay, so draw was hit. It is 10 a.m. There's no entries to go short. Now I want to see if we start reacting off of this potential mech model, or if we start displacing lower, I can expect London and Asia to get hit, then tap into that 4-hour. So I'm gonna wait. That 5 minute here are in the 15 minute. See if you get respected. Okay. Respected the 15 minute. Manipulate this low. Do the SMT now with this low. Inside of the gap. Swap those equal lows. Have a 5 minute above. Overall bullish higher time frame wise. Let's see if you get a mech model to rebalance that. I do think this is a probable draw on liquidity. Do a little resistance below. I expect us to rebalance here before going higher. Do you create anything on 10 a.m.? That's a question. Do have the internal low, so I'm just gonna wait. See what price does. I'm gonna wait. Okay, 5 minute got tapped. Let me clean this up a bit. And don't think we have news today either, so. It's getting late into the session. Okay, no trades today. Just chopped around rest of the session. Yeah. So no trades today, chopped around. Was there anything could have taken potentially? Like even if you did hold this 50, sorry, not the 50, hourly or 5 minute. Did hold this 5 minute. I just didn't see an entry inside of that gap to go short. No 1 minute, no 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 4 minute, no 5 minutes. No entry for that short there. And then there's no internal manipulation, so no trades Monday. I'm recording this right. Yeah. Okay, 10 a.m. news. I'd say I'm more bullish. Actually, no, I'm more neutral. Actually, don't know where we really want to go. We can go higher and we can go lower. That's the thing. Higher, take out all this low resistance right here, or we could come lower, tap into this 4 hours. So this 4 hour here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. And internal low, did sweep that internal low. So do we do SMT here? Dollar resistance right here. I'm gonna wait. See if we either wanna dig deeper into this Overally gap. So the 15-minute to this low. Or if you want to go higher. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm neutral right now. I wanna see price play out. Kind of news. Okay. Literally no movement from like 3:10. I don't see 10 a.m. manipulate, and 9:30 was accumulating. 1 hour, 4 hour dedicated. The thing is, ES already tapped the 4 hour too now, so it's sort of iffy belonging towards that. It's not probable anymore. You could see this will get swept now. We do have internal SMT. Okay. So what do we have? Yeah, that's 15-minute. ES manipulated the high. And Q also manipulated this. Low resistance all built up right here. I'm not gonna take that. That's too choppy of a close for me to take. Yeah, it would have worked out too, just didn't really like that close. Close all the way down here. My next straw is where is this? That was a 50-minute swing. Yeah. That early. I'm just gonna wait. Don't really have a draw right now. Your price to play out. Okay, tap into a 5-minute condition. Honestly, I do anticipate ES coming lower. I want to see NQ follow lower. See, so what is your stop hunt? Just generating LR. And inverse that gap. Yeah. Yeah, no trades Tuesday either. To 8:15 news today. ES does have high resistance below. Do pin this SMT. We're not holding any gaps, however. Next clear draw is this low. Okay, hold on. What the hell? There you go. Overall, still trending bearish. We do have a higher time from SMT, but just because of what we're trending and where we're drawing towards on the higher time frame, which is we're still respecting this inverse and displacing all those low resistance below. I'm still bearish going to today. Ideally, I don't see London get swept and potentially take out this law. So we'll see what price does. Currently, do have this up here. I have a preset for that. Just nwalk and doc, same thing. Okay, London was swept. And this is their internal manipulation. Did take out this internal low. Did tap this hourly gap. Or the 15-minute. So inside this hourly this far, we can easily make the wick here and respect this gap. SMT the lowest as well. What's this? Tap the 5 minute, but you're delivering from where? And there's no clear draw. Like, there's nothing. Sure, that draw bouncy is displaced lower first. No, wait more. 10 a.m. Okay. 10 a.m. open. Let's see what we do. Yeah, there would have been nothing for me if we had low resistance post. Next draw is this clear low. So I know where we're displacing to now. I have a clear draw on liquidity. He used to take it, but we did retake it. So I'm not too worried about the S&T because the S&T was putting at London, displacing past it. See if I'm in condition. Okay. Let's see if we can get a continuation from this. You know, it is this rate discount. Let's see if we get a 5-minute continuation from there. Get a resweep of that. No, just took it right away. There's I don't consider this protected. There's nothing. We didn't sweep anything. I ideally would have wanted to see this get reswept, and then so the 3-minute was good though, but just no protected high. So sorry, 1051. No trades. Tap the daily. Yes, that's a daily below. Let's see here. Let's see, I'm still bearish this 4-hour. Never mind, we did tap it. Most times we don't just tap it and reverse like right away. So is there any key levels? No, there isn't. There's this hourly below. Really tiny, but still a gap regardless. Right now, currently we're displacing lower. Overall bearish. Don't want to fade the higher time frame. So I'm gonna still be bearish going to today. I want to see London as my draw on liquidity. Ideally, thing is, I don't want to long against low resistance as well. Just seems improbable. No. However, oh no, ES took the low. Not taking that. Please resweep this high. Okay, good. And what day is today? Thursday. Oh, that was Thursday. Thursday 15 used yesterday. Okay, Thursday we have 8:30 and 10. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. Okay, that's 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. opening. Manipulating higher. Still respect to this hourly. Tapping into this 15-minute. We sold all my draws I wanted. No clean inversion. Not gonna take. Just gonna wait. Yeah. We have a clear area we want to draw towards. This 15-minute gap. And I did a London lows as well. We also do have relative equal lows right here. So this is my clear draw. Okay, now this 5-minute doesn't look too bad. I just know we'd go to this 15-minute hold to potential swap. Reason for the trade, overall bearish higher time frame wise. I'm gonna take this. Reason being, overall higher time frame is bearish, right? Retrace, took out this internal low, tapped into this hourly, tapped into this 15-minute above, swept all this low resistance, immediate V shape. I'm gonna take this short. I'll target that. Break even is gonna be this 15-minute. Okay, and where's 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is still here. I probably will actually take it off at 1-to-1. Okay, 1-to-1 was hit. There you go. Good trade overall. Really liked it. Yeah, that was perfect. Just really edge a low. ES to take it as soon as we took this, but I'm fine. Got my piece of the pie. Okay, last day Friday, 8:30 news. Let's see here. Okay, so where are we right now? Where we have this daily gap above on ES. We also have this daily that we did tap on NQ. So right now we're between two gaps. So it is low probable. Do have low resistance below previous day low. This is protected high though. T high. ES did sweep this and is displacing higher. NQ swept this is also displacing higher. So ideally, going into today, just lower time frame, higher time frame. I'm neutral. We are between two gaps. However, lower time frame wise, I am leaning a bit more bearish. We do have high resistance below. It did sweep out all this low resistance here, displacing back up. Ideally, I want to see longs take out this low resistance and then potentially tap into this 15-minute gap. So that's my bias going to today. I'm bullish lower time frame. Want to see longs play out. And a waiter is 8:30. 30 was back here. So no data highs, no data lows. Okay, well, draw was hit just like that. Let's see here. Can we get a potential short? Or do we want to start digging more higher to this hourly gap? ES has this hourly right here. Honestly, I can see higher. I can see ES tap into that hourly. So I'm gonna hold bullish. Or I'm neutral now that my draws are taken, but I'm gonna still wait. It's not a high resistance high. It's a gap. So I'm gonna wait for 5-minute condition to get made. Okay. We tap to the 5-minute. Let's see, because we are also in the hourly gap, so I just need to be careful of that. Because we 100% can start displacing over. Okay. Instant V shape. But is this a high probable short? That's the question. You know, I'm gonna wait. Honestly, I don't really like this inversion short. It did work out. Didn't really like it. Would have wanted to see a 5-minute. But now that we have tapped this 15-minute internally and tapped a 5-minute potential mech right here. Nothing on the 15-minute scaring me. That is 10 a.m. We'll see. Resweep, okay. And inverse, okay. So just based off that inversion, respecting this hourly, I am overall bearish now towards this low, which is my drawn liquidity. Now I'm working everything out. This was manipulation, tap into the higher time frame gap. The only clean version was a 5-minute. I guess it could have taken, but short break even. See if you get a continuation. Nope. Okay. Next draw. This sell side right here. No hourly gap either. Let's see. This is high resistance, so I'm gonna wait for price. you go. Generating sell side like that. 10:33 right now. Or inside of 15-minute. Has 5-minute here. Yes, tap the upper 5-minute. Inside this. So I'm just gonna see, because now we do have a low resistance generated. But it's already 10:50, so low probable. Just start expanding. Now, was there a continuation I could have taken? Oh shoot, when was this inverse? 10:30. Hold on, did I miss a mech? Give me a sec. May have. Nah, there's no inversion unless if there's a 30-second, which I can't go to. This long was clean though. Yes, there's like a 30-second here. Take that, stop there. Targeting this 5-minute. Yeah. But what's there? I'll have to check someone else's, but 1 win, 4 no trades this week. Overall, solid win.